19. Pretty good. Okay, do we have? Okay, we have. I think we have one feature. Or do we have two features? We have two features. The first is, yeah, first feature was shit. Red one, red one, red one. Ooh, it's a red one. 23 red ones. Is it gonna be a scam? Don't be a scam. We need one cargo for the day. That has to be it. Yeah, cargo. One cargo for the day. Oh, it's a lot of 4 inches. Okay, if all of they stay, if they all stay, and we... Oh, red ones! Stay! Bingo! Bingo! Kyllä! Heti! Noniin. Now it's looking better the balance. 5,000, I like to see that. Silloin kyllä osuki. Osuki kyllä. Joo, ei oo joka päivä. It's not something that happens every day, that's for sure. Joo, ei edes kerran joo, ei. Kalaa valeen. Mm.
Great. Sweet. Great. Mega.
Mega. I haven't played Mozzimon in a long time. Oi! Ja sieltä heti!
Sensational.
Samaan tien! Straight away! Mozzimon, tärätänkö? Ja Mozzimon täräyttää. Let's go! Let's fucking go!
Sensational.
heti, kyllä. We'll take it. Thanks for the follow. Let's fucking go, man.
Tasty.
Tasty, very tasty. Hey, that's a good start for the opening.
Tasty.
More coming. Holy fuck. Yeah, this is basically max win from this game, guys. This is basically max win. Easy 500x, or is that almost 600x? Anyway, almost 600x. Almost 6. This is specific games. You can request games on the chat now. We have one game on the list. It's Beast Games is gonna be next, but after that, if you wanna see your game, happily wager on your games. Something comes to your mind. If the game is good and paying, I'd play a bit more. Like this one. This one has been very good. Random weird game. Okay. Right. No problem. Oh! What the fuck? Wow, terve! 1,500 I'll take out. 1,500 I'll take out. $1,500 I take out. 1,500 I take out. Or more. Or more. Or more. Okay, okay. Okay. Alrighty. Alrighty. 2,000 we take out. 2000 we take out. Armor! Armor! Oh, 787. 2000 we take out or more. Noniin, okei. Okay. Vittu! Okei, okay, noniin, sori. Okei, 2000 out. Okay. Let's open the door, hey.
Ascend. Mighty power. Olympus. Legacy.
Wait. Need to open. Musiikit päällä.
Ascend. Mighty
Pro, streamer is pro. I mean, that's pretty good though. That's pretty good so far.
Olympus.
But we need more.
Legacy.
We need more.
Ascend.
Aha. Aha, 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 aha. Crown, kruunu, kruunu. Kruunun kuninkaan mä saan. Wait. What is this? I'm like for Mortal Kombat, you know, I don't know, why is there two corners? What the fuck is there two corners? What happened? Why is there two corners? Okay. Nice! Let's go!
Mighty power.
Se on jos takalla. Hei,
Olympus.
what do you mean? Ei veikkauskusi, häh? Ai ai ai. That's a good start for opening. Mikä? Spakat? Ei mene. En oo semmoista liikkuvuutta yrittänyt hommata. Tried new Hacksavar in right mark. Yeah, I was not too impressed, but we can try it again. What's warning? Oh, bonus. Mega win! What the fuck is going on? Scary game, but it's paying. Full screen this doll and we get millions. Nyt on kyllä scary peli. 3 pace. 3 pace. Close expert too. If you would be a plant, what kind of plant would you be? I would be one of those like carnivorous. Those plants that eat bugs. At least I would not have to eat only soil, so I could eat some meat sometimes. Ihan syö kasvit. Ui, come on, why not full screen? Nyt eteen taas vaan. Okei. Check it out. Is this new? No, this is B gaming. This is not new, but I haven't played this one. This game is cool. Makselee. Balance safe, yeah, pretty much. I mean, full screen with either one of the symbols. No, not today. Cool game though.